Unfazed. As you can see, the bronze foxes were no match for the athletic prowess of Raleigh. Kidding, Raleigh has very low athleticism. But these bronze foxes I made with my good friend Mark Patrick. My mom had a slip cast ceramic fox that looked very similar to this, so I had Mark take a mold of that and we cut it in half and lengthened it and did a couple other things to make it a really good barn door handle. So I have 22 of them as the first batch here. That's all I have in this batch, so as soon as they're gone, they're gone. Get them as quickly as you can. And if this batch sells well, I will make a second batch. The things that I need to do for the second batch is the mold is getting a little tired. I produce these with a Colorado local company called Mad Casting with 2 D's because they're gangster like that, I don't know. And what they do is they fill this silicone mold with wax, and then they take those waxes and put a slurry of glue and sand on top of them, and then they pour bronze in, and the bronze eats out all the wax, and you're left with a bronze fox after that process. That's called lost wax casting. So my mold is a little tired, so after this batch is gone, I need to redo a mold, possibly with more. They are patinaed with liver of sulfur and then finished with tray wax. Johnson's paste wax is no longer made anymore, tragically, so tray wax is the best thing I have been able to come up with for bronze finishes since Johnson decided not to make their wax anymore, which is a bummer because I think they've been making it for like 120 years or something awesome like that. And the foxes have 2 holes in them. They're tapped in the tail and this paw, and it is an 8x32 machine screw, and you will get hardware with your fox. I'll send you these guys. These are just typical cabinet hardware that you can shorten or lengthen according to the thickness of material that you're going into. If you're going into something very thin, you'll probably need to get a different mounting hardware for that. And this is where I have my bronze fox door handle, is on the barn door to the mudroom in my house, on my lovely barn door. So that's my bronze fox barn door handle. Go get yours while you can, and if it goes well, we'll make a big batch of them. Come here, Ron! Come here, Ron! Ron, come here! Come here, Ron! Come here, Ron! The least phased of any of them.
Kitty, come here.